So, hello everyone. Today we are going to learn some very important word. Instead of using very, we are going to learn some words which you can replace with the very words. Okay. So, stop saying very. Use these strong words instead. Okay. So, there are 15 words which we are going to learn, and just try to apply all these words in your daily life. Okay. So like 5 5 10 5 5 10. So I have total 20 words which you are going to replace with the very word. Okay, so the first word, which is like if you are using like very good, what you are going to use? Don't use very good. Okay, it's unusual word which you are using. So instead of using very good, you can use excellent. Okay, so learn, just repeat after me, excellent. Okay, so this is an excellent opportunity. बहुत ही अच्छी अपॉर्चुनिटी है. This is an excellent. EXCELLENT, excellent. This is an excellent work you have done. So one word we learn about the excellent. And very bad, कोई भी चीज वेरी बैड, बहुत बुरा, ठीक है, दिस इज वेरी बैड, ये बहुत बुरा हुआ. सो यू कैन यूज टेरिबल, TERRIBLE, टेरिबल. It's terrible, it's terrible, very bad, terrible. Okay, and very big, if you are using very big, so you can use huge. Okay, very big, you can replace very big with huge, HUGE, huge. This is a huge building. Okay, don't say very big, it's huge, बहुत बड़ा. And very small, small, like most of the time you are using like very small, it's very small. No, it's tiny, TINY, it's tiny. If you are going to say like tiny, you are going to replace that tiny with very small. And the fifth word, which is very tired, very tired, you can replace with exhausted. Exhausted, EXHAUSTED, exhausted. Very tired, I'm feeling very tired. No, I'm feeling exhausted, I'm feeling exhausted. Okay, exhausted, very tired. And very hungry, if you are going to say like very hungry, I'm feeling very hungry, don't say very hungry. Instead of very hungry, say starving. Starving, STARVING, starving. I'm feeling starving, starving, starving. Very beautiful, gorgeous, you can say gorgeous, GORGEOUS, gorgeous. Very gorgeous, very gorgeous. Very angry, furious. If you are going to say like very angry, you can use the word furious. Okay, furious. And very fast, which is rapid. Rapid, very fast, rapid, very fast, rapid. So there is a one metro, rapid metro, it means very fast metro. And very slow, sluggish, SLUGGISH, sluggish. Very sluggish, very slow, it means very slow, you can replace sluggish, sluggish. And now we completed 10 words, which you have to just repeat all these words and just try to use all these words in your daily life sentences. Very cold, freezing. If there is a water, it is very cold. Instead of saying very cold, you can say it's freezing, it's freezing. And very hot, boiling, boiling. Very hot, boiling. Very happy, delighted, delighted. She is delighted, she is very happy. ये बहुत खुश है? No, she is delighted, she is delighted. Very sad, depressed, very sad, depressed. And very smart, brilliant. Yes, most of the time we are using like this word. You are brilliant, you are brilliant, you are brilliant means very smart, you are brilliant. So we completed 15 words which you have to just listen and repeat all these words. You are going to get lots of benefits. Okay. And next word which is very scared. Very scared. If you have to say like very scared, terrified. बहुत ही डरा हुआ, वेरी स्केर्ड, बहुत ही ज्यादा डरा हुआ, लेकिन बट यू कैन यूज द वर्ड टेरिफाइड. टेरिफाइड, TERRIFIED, टेरिफाइड. वेरी डर्टी, वेरी डर्टी यू कैन यूज filthy, 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 very dirty, filthy. Very clean, spotless. Very clean, spotless, SPOTLESS, spotless. Very clean, it's spotless. And very rich, wealthy. Yes, we all know like wealthy, you can replace the word very rich with wealthy. He is wealthy person. Very poor, destitute. Destitute, very poor, you can replace the word very poor with destitute, DESTITUTE, destitute. So we learned today 20 words which you can use in your daily life. Okay, we are using the word, like we are replacing the word with very. You can use all these words. Okay, excellent, terrible, huge, tiny, exhausted, starving, gorgeous, furious, rapid, sluggish. All these words we learn. Okay, so I hope you got some information today, and if you are going to apply all these words, you are going to get results. Okay, so thanks for today. We are going to meet tomorrow. Thank you.